Masala tea is a tea beverage made by boiling black tea, milk, and water with a mixture of aromatic herbs and spices. I am a big tea addict. I love drinking tea at any time. To my knowledge, tea is perfect with ginger and cardamom, unless I got to know about spice tea. Even the whole spices make amazing tea. Every sip gives a refreshing feel. One would wonder, how come whole spices would be added to the tea? It can be added in the powder texture in small quantity. It completely blends with the tea leaves, milk, and water and gives an amazing taste to the tea. Choice of tea powder. Everyone has their own preferences. Some like strong tea and some like delicate tea. Dust tea, strong in flavor. Assam tea, delicate in flavor. I have used Darjeeling tea, the Assam leaves which are delicate and aromatic. Health benefits of masala chai. Improves digestion. Just like many warm concoctions, masala chai is excellent to regulate digestive system and keeping the gut healthy. The strong spices such as ginger and black pepper are largely responsible for this, as they help produce digestive enzymes that work as catalysts to speed up digestive processes and break down fats and proteins. Relieves aches and pains. Cloves and ginger in masala chai are said to have anti-inflammatory property, which help in relieving severe pains by increased circulation that delivers oxygen-rich blood cells to ease with aches and ease the symptoms. Reduces nausea. Ginger is a popular ingredient, known to alleviate nausea during pregnancy and also treat common ailments. While masala tea is known for its numerous benefits, like all food items, it should be consumed in moderation. With black tea as its base, it is caffeine that may have a negative impact on the body when consumed in large amounts. It can lead to nausea and restlessness. You can always reduce the caffeine intake by opting for decaffeinated masala tea. As there are many spices in masala tea, it is best for pregnant women to avoid. The ingredients, when consumed in excessive quantities, may create a hormonal imbalance in the body. Masala tea is very easy to make. The powder can be found at most department stores, or you can always make it from its basic ingredients. Several health benefits make it the perfect go-to beverage for you to have between meals. The aromatic flavors are irresistible for any person. You will find an improvement in your digestion, blood sugar, weight, and overall health when you drink masala tea regularly for a long duration. Not only does masala tea help in prevention of cancer and diabetes, it also makes the immune system of the body stronger and keeps you free of common diseases and infections. Masala tea prevents cold and nasal congestion. The anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial property of masala tea prevent colds and nasal congestion. The immunity-boosting clove and ginger will also help you keep a cold away. 1 glass of masala tea a day is sure to keep you feeling strong and free of a cold. Works best when you are hot. If you are suffering from cold, 1 glass of masala tea will make you feel better and recover sooner. Anti-inflammatory properties of masala tea. All the spices used in the making of this beverage work together and have a profound effect on the body. Masala tea has anti-inflammatory effects derived mostly from ginger. Studies show that ginger has a positive impact on reducing inflammation in the body. Clove is another ingredient that has similar effects. These 2 spices are also known to be effective painkillers. Masala tea boosts energy. Black tea is the basic ingredient of the masala chai. It has caffeine that will boost your energy. While caffeine alone is known to have some negative effects in excessive quantities, The other ingredients of masala tea balance it out. The spices along with the masala tea release balanced energy that is just the kick you need to start your day off. It is a natural and healthy stimulant that you can have without any qualms. Masala tea for boost immunity power. Masala tea is very good for the immune system. The clove and cinnamon will make you stronger. Masala tea creates a line of defense that does not allow infections to pass through. This medicinal quality of this tasty drink makes it one of the most popular health beverages out there. Masala tea aids in digestion. The spices used in masala tea, especially clove, elaichi, and tulsi, aid in the digestion process. When ginger is added to the mixture, its effects become more medicinal. Masala tea has a calming and refreshing effect on the body. Digestion is greatly improved with the help of elaichi that increases the saliva production. Antioxidizing properties of masala tea. The base of masala tea is black tea. It has very strong antioxidizing property. The elaichi and clove used in the drink are also known to reduce the cholesterol level. This, in turn, will show an increase in the amount of good cholesterol. Masala tea reduces plaque formation that causes blockages leading to heart diseases. The spices help keep the heart rate and blood pressure in control. Masala tea controls blood pressure. Masala tea can also help in dealing with problems relating to blood pressure. If you have fluctuations in your blood pressure, masala tea may be the solution for you. It has a dilating effect on blood that will help in treatment of medical issues due to high blood pressure. Masala tea helps to regulate the blood circulation in the body, thereby preventing fluctuation in the levels of blood pressure. Masala tea prevent cancer. There is research that has shown that the antioxidizing properties of masala tea store it in an airtight container for months. In a saucepan, take 2 cups of water. Once it starts boiling, add tea leaves and boil for 5 minutes on low flame. Add the tea masala and boil for 2 minutes on medium flame. It is important not to overboil the masala, keep it light. Add the milk and sugar, keep boiling for 5 minutes, filter, and serve hot with delicious evening snacks. I hope you will enjoy making this tea and let me know how does it feels. See you again. Bye for now. Oh my, I have forgotten to remind you to click like and subscribe if you like what you saw today.